Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. Top headlines for today are: India's SaaS industry to be $1 trillion in value. Paytm reshuffles board members. Upgrad reserves $250 million for acquisition and mergers. Before I proceed with today's news, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, step out if needed, and maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. Now the news in detail are: India's software as a service industry could reach $1 trillion in value and employ 5 lakh employees by 2030. This way, it could be rivaling the IT service industry in India. Fintech giant Paytm has reshuffled the board ahead of its $2.3 billion initial public offering. The IPO is expected to be launched in November and the DRHP filing is set to be done later this month. Upgrad has reserved $250 million for the mergers and acquisitions for the next 7 to 9 months. It will also announce 2 acquisitions in the upcoming 60 days. Venture capital firm Chirate Ventures has launched its seed initiative Chirate Sonic. The new program will provide 48 hours turnaround time on seed fund pitches and requests for investments less than or equal to $5 lakh. Real estate firm Ivanhoe is planning to build a 100 million lab space in Hyderabad's Genomi Valley. It will be India's first and largest cluster for life science R&D and clean manufacturing. Shiprocket has raised $41.3 million in a funding round co-led by PayPal Ventures and Bertelsmann India Investments. Other participants were InfoEdge Ventures, March Capital, Tribe Capital and Innoven Capital. Zetwork Manufacturing has recorded a 3-time review growth in 2020 to 21 from the previous year to 949 crores. The company also saw loss reduced to 2% from 8%. Clear has acquired payment startup YBANQ in a cash and stocks deal. The acquisition is estimated at less than $5 million. Health tech startup BeatO has raised ₹42 crore in a funding round led by W Health Ventures. Other participants were Pharmeasy, Medicis VP, Oreos VP, Leo Capital and others. EdTech startup Sped at Home has raised $3 lakh as a part of its initial funding round led by financial experts and advisors, venture capital company and other high net worth individuals. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in.